Here we are with the back side of the Sandpiper here. You can see it's got the steps, it's got the one pull out right there on the side. In pretty nice condition overall. Inside's in excellent shape. The outside appears to be pretty good. I do notice maybe some of the stickers that are on it are, some of the edges are starting to show a little wear there. Again, here's the big pull out on the side. That's where the recliner and the hide-a-bed couch were. Come around and there's the third pull out there. That's the one that is for the bedroom right there. We'll look. And there's the storage underneath right there. You can see it kind of goes through onto both sides. And then this is where the smarter than that. And there's the dual propane bottles that come with it. And we'll come around to the front here. And again, you can see the fifth wheel part of it on the nice Sandpiper. The really nice extra spare tire underneath, and then this is just the other side. Got it parked right next to the house, so I can't get real close to that. So anyway, again, here's your chance to buy a really nice 2007 Forest River Sandpiper trailer. Thanks for watching.